Thread the power cord through the hole on the canopy. Thread the power cord through the H-shaped fastener and fasten the cord with the fastener. Connect the long black wire from the switch to the power cord L with a P3 wire nut and wrap the wire nut with insulated rubber tape. Connect the white wire from the light fixture to the power cord N with a P3 wire nut and wrap the wire nut with insulated rubber tape. Mark the screw fixing spots on the wall, drill holes, and tap drywall anchors into the holes with a hammer. Align the holes on the canopy with the holes on the mounting plate and attach the mounting plate to the wall with the screws in the accessory pack. Loosen the screw for securing the green ground wire, wrap the ground wire onto the screw and then tighten the screw. Secure the nuts to mount the canopy to the wall.